Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Elisa, here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. And today we'll be taking a look at this awesome 2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser with your off-road package. So this is a 5-door, 5-passenger, 4x4 SUV in the color Iceberg. Under the hood, you'll find a 4.0-liter V6 cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. Some of your features include your rear vision camera. You also have your crawl control and your Trail-tuned Bilstein shock absorbers with that off-road package, and so much more to make your trailblazing that much more enjoyable. But there's a ton happening on the inside as well, so why don't we hop on in and take a look at your interior features. Helping you into your FJ are these handy dandy keys with fob. So you do have your CompuStar remote vehicle start on there. That's going to be really handy for those winter months or up in the mountains. And then on your original Toyota fob, you have your lock, your unlock, and your panic button. Pushing the unlock button once will unlock the front doors, and pushing it twice will unlock all four and that fit on the 5th door in the back there. So we're going to open this up here, take a look inside. So you do have the running boards there, the step, making it easier to get in and out. And there is a ton of space in the FJ Cruiser, one of the larger Toyotas that I've seen. You do have some storage here in the driver's side door. You also have your power windows and your locks. And then on the left-hand side of your steering wheel here, you have your power mirrors. So that's always really nice to have. You do have your all-weather floor mats to keep your vehicle nice and clean. We know that this is definitely a utility vehicle. You're probably going to be doing some camping. Really comfortable seats. Again, tons and tons of space. So I'm just going to hop on in here and we're going to take a look at some more of the technology features, and we'll take a look at the odometer. Start it up here, sorry, bear with me. There we go. So taking a look at the odometer, there's only 57,625 kilometers. Lots of life left on the Toyota. So taking a look at the steering wheel, you do have the mounted controls. Here you do have your volume control and your music selection button and your mode changer for your music. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice command. And then your cruise control is just back there for all of those highway drives that you're going to make. You also have, in terms of music, you have your AM, FM radio, and you have your Sirius XM. You also have your CD player, and you have the ability to plug in your Bluetooth with your auxiliary cord, and you have your USB there as well. So lots of different available music options there for you. Taking a look at the temperature control, you do have your max air conditioning for those summer months, really great. And then moving a little bit further down, you have your traction control, and you have a 12-volt DC plug-in there, and you have the USB and the audio input. So here's your 4x4 options just there. And then moving a little bit further back, you have a nice big center console, a little bit of storage back here, and some nice big cup holders. And then this is a really neat feature here. You do have a little glove compartment for the driver, so that can carry some smaller items that you might want to carry and have handy for you. And then right down here is your glove compartment. Nice big glove compartment with all of the manuals that you're going to need. So lots of really great stuff happening in the front of your FJ. Come back and take a look at cargo. Taking a look at the back of your FJ Cruiser now, lots going on back here as well. We'll take a look in the cargo space. So we do have that full-size spare tire. You also have your rear windshield wiper for that unpredictable weather that you might hit on all of those awesome road trips. And we're just going to open this up here for you. And just because it's a big door on the back, it opens 90 degrees, and it is on a little bit of a hydraulic system, so it's really easy to open, not heavy at all, and you have just a ton of cargo space. Another great thing about the FJ Cruiser is you do have this hard vinyl bottom there, so it's not going to damage any carpeting. They are expecting you to bring along your gear, and I'm just going to set these seats down so you can see just how much cargo space you have. So there's the first seat down, and when you see that, you can see that that 60-40 split allows you to carry something a little bit longer and still 2 people comfortably in the back seat. And there is your second seat down. Now, like I said, you have enough space in here to bring the whole campsite. So lots and lots of room. Who knows what kind of adventures you're going to go on. I'm just going to close this back up here for you and give you a nice view of the back of your FJ. Giving you a final look then of the 2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser with your off-road package. You also have your accessories like your roof rack and your hood protector, and you have your tow hooks in the front and the back. And there's a ton of other things happening that I didn't get a chance to show you on this brief walk around, so come on in, take it for a test drive, ask all of the questions. We're here to help. We're very easy to find. We're on the corner of 137th Avenue and St. Albert Trail. We're here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. My name is Elisa. Thanks again for watching, and until we see you, drive safe.